Okay, today we're solving inequalities. Basically, an inequality looks like an equation, but instead of an equal sign, again, you would have a less than or equal to, a greater than, or greater than or equal to. The first problem that we're going to work on, we need to solve for h. So we're going to subtract 6, cancel. You're left with h. The big thing here is you need to remember to write your the symbol for your inequality, and that is a greater than or equal to, and 12 minus 6 is 6. So I'm going to rewrite that here and then erase it so we have a little more room. Then you need to graph this out. So what I tell you guys to do is draw a dash here and write 6, and then go 1 above it, 1 below it. We're going to circle the 6, and then I ask the question, should that circle be filled in?
Yes.
Yeah, because h is greater than or equal to, meaning your solution could be 6. Now we have to determine what way to darken our line. What I keep telling you is take your first number, like 5, and plug it in for h. Is 5 greater than 6? No. Okay, so that's probably not the way to go. Let's try then h being a 7. Is 7 greater than 6? Yes. So then that means whatever you say yes to, that's the way you draw and darken your arrow. And make sure that I can see it. So that'd be worth 2 points. The next one, let's read through it and try to see if we can come up with the right inequality. It says an elevator can hold 2,800 pounds or less. So can it hold 2,801?
No.
Technically, no. All right. So we know it can hold 2,800 and it can hold anything less than 2,800. Write and solve an inequality that describes how much more weight an elevator can hold if it's currently holding 2,375 pounds plus a little more weight. Does this need to be less than or greater than the 2,800? This amount here, should it be, do you want it to go over 2,000 or under 2,800? Yeah, you want it to be under, so less than. Can it equal 2,800? So then that's where we put that equal to 2,800. Now these two could be flipped around. If you wrote though the 2,800 first, then your sign's actually going to change. It's going to be 2,800 needs to be greater than or equal to 2,375 plus W. Now that is your inequality. Once you solved it, what did you guys get for W?
Greater than one that goes like a arrow pointing to the left.
It's pointing to the left, you're saying?
I mean the point where both the lines intersect. It's going that way.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Let's go ahead. Subtract. So 425. So if I were solving this top equation here, I would subtract 2,375 from both sides. I would get W needs to be less than or equal to 425 pounds to make this elevator safe to be riding on.